Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix quality on TikTok.
If she's on OnlyFans.
So go ahead and open up the app and then go to your profile. And the first thing that you want to do is make sure you're on a good connection. So either on a strong Wi-Fi connection or a strong 4G or 5G connection. And then there's a setting you can check if you go into settings and privacy. Okay, you can click on content preferences. Not content preferences, but you want to go into playback. Not playback. You see the setting at the bottom, data saver mode. You want to make sure that that's toggled off. And then when you go back to the home page, you should get high quality TikTok videos like you can see. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.